Hi guys, welcome back to another Minecraft video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a creeper cannon. So, first you're going to need any block, a solid block. Build a sort of thing. Maybe you'll build it higher up. Yeah, maybe I'll do that. Okay. I'm just going to choose dried kelp block because no one ever uses this block. Like, I barely see any YouTubers use it. So I'm going to be using it today. And I don't even know why Mojang even added this block, but it looks pretty cool. It's like a present, kinda. But you probably wouldn't want to get dried kelp for Christmas or something like that. So build like this kind of cage area in the sky. And, so yeah, do that. Oh wait, why is this there? Okay. So like this. So creepers can't get out. And then spawn a bunch of creepers. Like, I would recommend like at least a stack of creepers. So I'll be back. So we got the creeper cannon all set up. I used a dispenser to put all the creepers in. And there's like a lot of creepers here. So once you have a lot of creepers in one block area, you want to break the block on the side and let them shoot out. Oh, it's lag, I think. Maybe they need two black. Oh my god. Why are they not separating? I never done this much creepers before. Oh. Oh my gosh. That's the creeper cannon. Now there's thousands of creepers all over this area. And want to know something even more satisfying? Oh yeah. Oh, that was satisfying. And unlimited gunpowder for days. Gunpowder's 55. Oh my god, that's a lot. So yeah. It's hard to do this in survival, but very fun to do in creative. Alright, thanks for watching and have a good one. Bye.